Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use location sticker to your photo on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your story from the top left corner to create a new Instagram story. You can capture a new photo or video, or upload any photo or video from your gallery. Now tap the sticker icon at the top. Here you will see the location sticker. Tap on it. A list of suggested locations will appear. You can find a location in the search bar, or you can select any location from the list. The sticker will pop up on your screen. You will be able to tap over the sticker to customize it. You can resize the sticker, and place it anywhere on the screen by dragging. And when you are all done, you can share your story. Your story has been updated. Check this out. By using the location sticker, you can tag an address or physical location in your story. So in this way, you can use location sticker to your photo on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.